Riu mundu wothe utandikithitie kandi ya thimu na kambuni cia kuheana motungata ma ukinyaniria ari na nginyanagia tariki 15 akorwo andikithitie, kwaga uguo kandi no ihingwo kaimana. Akirekereria mukana uyu murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria bururi-ini yake niwe Ezra Chiloba niugite mihang'o ino ni guteithiriria kuhitana na wikinae uria ukoretwo kuo uhuthiri-ini wa mitambo ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria.
What has been happening in the past is some of the telecommunication operators have allowed and registered SIM cards to be used on their network, and as a result we have gotten people who are basically a threat to our own security and hence survival of the country abusing that particular space. So the importance of registering SIM cards is to allow us to allow operators to be accountable and to also ensure that people who want to abuse the opportunity to communicate do not do that. Please go register before you are denied services come 15th of April this year.
Chiloba niugite matikuongerera ihinda makiria ria kwandikithia kandi ici kuona ihinda riria riheanitwo ni riiganite gukorwo mundu wothe urahuthira thimu kwiyandikithia ringi.
Somebody to get into our country who has no good intentions to be able to access SIM cards and to be able to coordinate activities that are terror related, there's a danger to the country. So our responsibility is now we are working with operators through a technical committee that we set up to be able to ensure that on that material day, the quality of service for purposes of election is at the top.
Riri gukorwo ari rita ria gatatu mihang'o ta ino gutafanio guku bururi-ini ria mbere ari mwaka wa 2012 na mwaka wa 2018.
Areas that we are concerned about is that if this trend continues, which is going to continue, how do we make sure that all citizens are included in the digital society? So making sure that marginalized groups are also able to access the telecommunication services, making sure that they are able to access smart devices.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.